Sarah, where are my car keys? I can't find them anywhere.
I don't know, David. I haven't touched your keys.
Come on, Sarah. I left them right here on the kitchen counter, and now they're gone. Are you telling me you didn't see them?
I swear. I didn't touch your keys. Why would I take them?
I don't know. Maybe because you always borrow my stuff without asking. This is the third time this month.
That's not true. I only borrowed your phone charger once, and I asked you afterward.
Well, it's not just that. You're always messing with my things, and now my keys are missing.
I'm not a thief, David. Maybe you just misplaced them.
Misplaced them? I'm not the forgetful one in this house. You are.
That's not fair, David. I'm tired of your accusations. I didn't touch your keys.
Fine. I'll find them myself then. Sarah, I found the keys.
Oh, where were they, David? In my pocket?
Actually, they were in my own pocket. I must have put them there this morning and forgot.
So, I guess I'm not the forgetful one in the house after all.
I'm really sorry, Sarah. I shouldn't have accused you like that.
It's okay, David. Just remember, next time, check your pockets before blaming me.
Thanks, Sarah. I appreciate your understanding.
Just try not to jump to conclusions so quickly next time. It'll save us both a lot of unnecessary arguments.
You're absolutely right, Sarah. I let frustration get the best of me.
We all have our moments, David. It's just important that we learn from them.
I appreciate your patience with me, Sarah. I promise to be more mindful in the future.
That's all I ask for. David, we're family, after all, and family sticks together.
You're the best sister, Sarah.
I know. But don't forget where you found your keys.
By the way, Sarah, what was so important that you needed to borrow my phone charger earlier?
Well, my phone was about to die. And I couldn't find mine. I didn't want to disturb you at work.
You could have just asked. You know, I would have let you borrow it.
I know. I'll remember that next time.
And I'll remember to keep my keys out of my pockets.
You know, moments like these make me grateful for our relationship, David. We may argue sometimes, but at the end of the day, we're always there for each other.
You're right, Sarah. I wouldn't trade our bond for anything in the world.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.